Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll describe how we can detect early and subtle signs of mild cognitive impairment through a simple card game on smartphones. Mild cognitive impairment, or MCI, is very often a precursor to dementia. It's subtle and difficult to detect or assess. Serious games combined with machine learning analytics may provide auxiliary insight and a means for early detection. As with any illness, early detection of MCI is crucial for effective medical and/or social therapeutics. We needed a serious mobile game with the potential to capture a player's cognitive fingerprint, a pattern associated with a player's actions during gameplay. So we are developing War Cognitive Assessment Tool, or WARCAT, which is based off the familiar card game War. The rules of this game are simple. You play against a computer. The player and the computer are each dealt a hand of 5 cards. You then select a card to play against the computer from your hand. Both your card and the computer's are then revealed. Whoever played the highest card wins that round and is awarded points. This process continues until all 5 cards in the player's hand are played. Whoever scores more points wins. We would then have the player play for a good number of games while the computer uses the same strategy. An example of the strategy it uses might be playing the highest card to the lowest card, or lowest to highest, or any other particular order. After a number of games, when the player discovers this strategy, they are compelled to develop a winning strategy of their own. This allows them to beat the computers consistently, so long as they remember their strategy. A player's performance data would be a sequence of outcomes of the games played. For each game, we record whether the player won when they should have won, lost when they should have won, lost when they should have lost, or won when they should have lost. So our data is basically a confusion matrix, which reflects the cognitive fingerprint of the player. Data is also collected in the form of a player profile, which contains data such as age and gender. We then use this data to train a classification model that relies on an artificial neural network. The model will first be trained on synthetic data acquired from computer bots playing against each other, as we can generate an unlimited amount of data. We have already generated preliminary data from computer bots with 5 different stages of cognitive impairment, ranging from totally random play to perfect play. Our preliminary machine learning model is a dense neural network that consists of an input layer, 2 hidden layers, and the output layer. This model has a high chance of correctly assessing various types of gameplay. Once we have a model trained on synthetic data, we can begin work on merging human data with synthetic. As more people play the game, we can increase the human player base. We can investigate other machine learning techniques such as convolutional neural networks and reinforcement learning, which might yield better predictive accuracy. More investigation could create opportunities for other games to adopt similar frameworks and pursue other medical assessment goals. Thanks very much for watching.